Hello children, I Mrs. Pathan Afreen Khan welcome you for online studies. So children, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn lesson number 15, the calendar. So children, already you know what is calendar. So children, please first listen, I will give you some introduction about calendar. Now children, calendar is the record of all the dates and days of the year. It shows the months, weeks and days in the year. So children, you already know that calendar shows us dates, days and weeks in the year. Calendar tells us what it tells us children. It tells us about major event during the year. Which are the major events during the year, that also calendar tells us. And number of working days, number of holidays, the days and the dates of each month. So calendar tells us working days also and holidays also and dates and days of each month. Now children, there are many types of calendar. So children, we know that there are many types of calendar, but calendar we are using the Gregorian. So the calendar which we are using the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar has 12 months, 52 weeks and typically has 365 days. So the calendar has how many months? 12 months, 52 weeks and typically has 365 days. So children, now we will see how many months are there in the calendar. The calendar has 12 months. Now children, calendar of 2020 is given here. In this calendar children, you may notice that dates of Sunday are marked in a different color to indicate holiday. So children, we already know that Sunday is a holiday. We all know that Sunday are marked in a different color. Now we will see months of the year. So children, there are 12 months in the year. Which are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So children, these are our 12 months of the year. Now children, there are 7 months in a year which have 31 days each. Now children, see, look at the picture that there are 7 months in a year which have 31 days and there are 4 months in a year which have 30 days. Now February is only 1 month which has 28 or 29 days. Normally February has 28 days. However, on a leap year, February gets an extra day, that is called leap year, which is 29th February. Now, using a calendar. Now children, you have to open page number 26 of your textbook and you are going to use this year calendar. Now see, the first exercise what they have asked us, that look up this year's calendar, write the information in the table below. Now see children, on page number 76 there they have given us one table and they have told us to use this year calendar. So we will use this year calendar. Now what questions they are asking us? Now see, in the first column, the festivals in the month of October. Now they are asking us that this year which festivals are going to come in the month of October. Now children, you are also going to take the calendar and you will also see in the calendar that which month, which festivals are going to come in the month of October. Now I will tell you Poya and Ganesh Chaturthi. These two festivals are going to come in the month of October. Now in the next column, the holidays in the month of August. Now children, how many holidays are there in the month of August? Now see, only 2 holidays are there in the month of August because 15 August and Raksha Bandhan, it has already came on Sunday. So there are only 2 holidays in the month of August. Now the third. How many days after the 5th of December is Christmas? Now see children, in the month of December, how many days after the 5th of December is Christmas? So you have to count it out the days. I have counted, there are 19 days. Now the last column, the dates of the Sundays in June. Now you have to tell the dates of the Sundays in June. See, 6, 13, 20 and 27. These are the dates of the Sundays in month of June. So this exercise you will write in your homework as well as in your classwork, and you will complete the exercise. Now see, January 2015 calendar they have already given, and now see what they are telling us. Today is the 15th of January. Remember, we have to go for Sonu's birthday. Now Sonu's friend, they are talking with each other, and what they are telling, that today is the 15th of January and we have to go for Sonu's birthday. Now what Salma is telling? Salma, in which year were you born? Now Salma is asking to Sonu that in which year you were born. Now what Sonu is answering? I was born on the 15th of January 2005. Now the Sonu has born on the 15th of January 2005. So Tony, what Tony is telling? Today's date is 15th January 2015. It means that Sonu is 10 years old today. So what Tony is telling to Sonu, that today is 15th of January 2015. It means that Sonu is 10 years old. So today's birthday, when Sonu's birthday is there, she is 10 years old. Now Salma, my date of birth is 12th March 2006. In whole year, I am 8 years old today. So how many years old Salma is? She is 8 years old today. So Tony, so your birthday will be on 12th March 2015, and that day you will be 9th year old. Now what Tony is telling, that your birthday will be on 12th March 2015 and you will be 9th year old. Now to tell someone's age, count forward from the year of the birth till the current year. So children, if you want to tell someone's age, what you have to do? You have to count forward from the year of the birth till the current year. Now we will move to page number 77. Now what they are asking us? Some people's date of birth are given in the table below. Now they have given us one table and they have given us date of births also. So write how many years of age they complete this year on their birthday. Now we are going to see that how many years of age they have already completed. So we will see the table. Now first, name, date of birth and age. We have to find it out. Name they have given, date of birth they have given, and age we are going to find it out. Now first is Sarika. Now the date of birth of Sarika is 18/7/2002. So how many years old Sarika is? Who will tell me, children? Very good. Sarika is 18 years old. Now second, Mohan. So what is the date of birth of Mohan? He is 14/5/2000. So his date of birth is 14/5/2000. So how many years now he is? He is, very good, he is 20 years old. Now third one, Ahmed. Now date of birth of Ahmed is 1/2/2003. So how many years old? Who will tell me? Come on. Fast, tell me. Count it out fast. Very good. 17 years. So Ahmed will be 17 years. And the last one is Makhan Singh. Here his date of birth is 13/7/1977. So, see, the age of the Makhan Singh will be, who will count it out fast? I am giving you 1 minute. Fast. Do it fast. Yes? Nobody? Okay, I will only tell you. His age is 47 years. Now children, the next table. Write the date of birth of the people in your family and complete the table below. Now children, they have asked us to write the date of the birth of your family members. So, I cannot complete this table. So, you only have to complete this table in your homework. Okay? Now, today's homework. So, children, on page number 76, there is one table. That also you are going to complete in your classwork as well as in your homework notebook. And on page number 77, there are two tables that also you are going to complete in your classwork as well as in your homework notebook. So children, goodbye. Have a nice day.